Hello my lovely people, welcome once again to Adom Home Cooking. Today, as Valentine's Day is approaching, we're going to prepare something special. Yes, today we are going to prepare full 3-course meal, and I'm going to start by grilling my chicken. We're going to grill chicken, do some saute or savory rice with vegetables, pancake for desserts and all that. So let's start with the chicken. This my whole chicken is been washed and cleaned already. I'm just going to divide this chicken into 4 parts. If you don't get, if you can't have the full chicken, you can just get the chicken legs. So I'm just going to cut this whole chicken into 4 parts. It's like this. We are starting with the grilled chicken first. As I cut the chicken, I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice on my chicken. Going to squeeze some lemon juice on my chicken. You can also do this overnight, marinate it, leave it in your fridge till you are ready to cook it. So I'll just rub the lemon juice on well. Then place my chicken in my baking tin. Pieces, you can cut it to any number of pieces you like. I'm going to season it with my vegetable seasoning. I bought this from Asian shop. It's a nice seasoning with tomato, red pepper and all that, with Onga seasoning. This Onga 3 mix contains ginger, onion and garlic, and also the chicken seasoning. So what I did is I combined these 3 seasoning with some red pepper and I mash it together to make my own seasoning paste. So this is the seasoning paste I have now. Bearing in mind that all these seasonings contain salt, so I didn't add any salt yet. So I'm just going to add this seasoning to my chicken. I'll add some chili pepper, make it a bit spicy, and onion. And oil, cooking oil. You can use any type of oil at all you have in your house. I'm using olive oil. So I'm just going to rub the seasoning on the chicken all over, rub it well. You can also do this, marinate it and leave it in your fridge for overnight before you cook. Yeah. So my chicken is ready to go under the grill or in the oven. And if you have your barbecue in summer, you can also do this like this and then cook it on your barbecue. Hello lovely people, welcome once again to Adom Home Cooking. We are still preparing for the Valentine's Day. As my chicken is cooking in the oven, I'm going to continue by cooking my white rice with spring onion and coconut oil. So these are the ingredients. I have my AAA rice here, spring onion chopped, coconut oil, and salt to taste. My pot is already hot, so all I'm going to do now is put some coconut oil in my cooking pot. If you don't have the coconut oil, you can also use cooking oil or olive oil. Just enough to fry the spring onion. The coconut oil gives it a nice flavor. So you can see my coconut oil is melted, so I'm going to add my spring onions. I'll add half of the chopped spring onion to my coconut oil. While it's frying, I'll quickly wash my rice. So I'm adding my rice now to the pot. And then I'll stir it well. I'm going to add enough salt to taste. Enough salt to taste. I'm going to stir the rice, cook it with the spring onion, stir it for about 3 to 5 minutes before I add my boiling water. So after stirring the rice for about 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to add boiling water. It's good to add boiling water or boiled water so your rice can cook quickly. If you add cold water, it's going to go soggy. Just add enough water to cook. Now I'm going to taste for my salt. It's just right. The salt is good. I'll turn my heat down and steam this rice gently for about 10 to 15 minutes. It should be ready. Whilst the rice is cooking, I'm going to prepare for the starter. You know, it's a 3-course meal. So this is the grilled chicken. It's coming up really nicely. So I just want to turn it over. The chicken is cooking really well. You can use your knife to make incision on the skin so that the seasoning can also go in well. You know, I forgot to do this earlier, but it's not too late. You can still do it. Just cut it through a bit, and then I'm going to put this back in under the grill for another 10 to 15. Hello viewers, welcome once again. We are continuing our 3-meal course for the special day, which is just around the corner, the Valentine's Day. So at the moment my chicken is grilling under the grill, my rice is cooking, and I'm going to continue with my starter. With the starter, I'm doing king's prawns on a skewer. It's a prawn, it's the big prawns, king prawn. It's just like this, the big prawn like this. So I just clean it up like that. I take the skin off and I've gotten it into this size. So all I'm going to do is, this is my frying pan on the hob. I'm going to do oven top grill. I'm going to do oven top grill. So I'm going to grill the prawns in my saucepan with some vegetables, which is my mushroom, mixed pepper, and I'll season it with my vegetable seasoning. Let's go. And I also have chili, my chili powder. with the prawns, I'm cooking with butter. Add my butter to my frying pan. If you have your barbecue, you can just put these king prawns on your skewer and cook it on the grill, on the barbecue. So this is my butter cooking, and I'll add my garlic, crushed garlic. You can smell the garlic. And then I'll add the prawns, my king prawns. It's been washed. And then I'll just add a teaspoonful of my vegetable seasoning. You can use any seasoning at all in your cupboard. Onga, vegetable stock cube, any seasoning at all. And because this seasoning contains salt, I'm not going to add any salt. I'll just add the seasoning. It's enough to give it taste. So the king prawns is cooking nicely. And you can smell it with the butter and the garlic. It's smelling so nice. So I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of my chili pepper on this. So my king prawns is ready now. It's cooked. So I'm just going to add my vegetables, which is the mushroom and the mixed pepper. You can also add onions if you like. So you cook this for about maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and then your starter will be ready. Now the prawns is ready. You can see it's all dried up, turned into golden brown. It's looking really yummy. I'm going to put this on a skewer as a starter. I'll just leave it aside, set it aside to cool a bit so I can use my hand to pick it up and put it on the skewer. Okay, my lovely viewers. So this is the starter, this is the prawns, the king prawns I'm putting on the skewer. So you just do it like that of kebab. Put the prawns first, my mixed pepper, and then the mushroom. And this is my starter. Put it on a skewer, or you can also serve this in a small dishes or small bowls. So this is the starter. King prawns. Now my white rice with spring onion is also ready. Nice and fluffy, look. I'm going to set this aside. The chicken is still cooking, and then I'll continue with my afters or the dessert. Chicken is cooking, nearly there. I'll give it another 10 minutes and then the chicken will be ready. So I will continue with the dessert or the afters. I'm putting the chicken back under the grill. Hello my lovely people. So this is the grilled chicken and the spring onion white rice, the main meal with some vegetables. This is our special Valentine's Day dinner. This is the main course here. Looking yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, so this is the dessert. The dessert is pancake with strawberry and sweetened dairy cream. With the pancake, you can refer to my previous videos. I've already displayed how to prepare the pancake at home cooking style. So the pancake is ready here. Because it's Valentine's Day, I'm using strawberry and sweetened dairy cream. What I'm going to do is, you get the cream from any supermarket. Put the cream on, and then I'll slice my strawberry. And I'll roll it. Onto my serving tray. So you do it till you roll all together. Valentine's Day 3-course meal is ready. Enjoy at home cooking special. Okay, so finally this is our Valentine's Day special at home cooking 3-course dinner. I have my king prawns with vegetable, which is mushroom and mixed pepper on a stick, on a skewer as a starter. I have my sobolo drink. With the sobolo drink, you can refer to my previous videos. And this is the Ghana gravy to go with the rice. You can also refer to my previous video for the Ghana gravy. And of course the main, which is the spring onion white rice with my grilled chicken and veg. And the last but not the least, the afters, the dessert. Pancake with sweetened cream and some strawberries. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.